Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. I'm Deka, Dara from Abuja Mom. I'm a lifestyle blogger based here in Abuja. So if you're new to my channel, please please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're my old subby, thanks for always being there. I love you so much, and I love everyone, both new or old. I love you guys. So today's video just basically teaching you guys how to make money as a stay-at-home mom. As you all know, these things there from just being a stay-at-home mom. I can remember one of my friends then, Joanne. I don't know if she's watching this video. Thank you, Joanne. So she told me about blogging. I've always read Linda Cage's blog, but I've never really like known that it was something that I could do really. And then I started, and somehow here I am. I started doing it, I think 2014, but I took it seriously last year. Like I understood it better last year, even though I'm still learning. But I think I would say I started 2016. Um so 2017, not 2016. So today's video, I'm just going to be teaching you guys my own ideas and ways of how to make money online. So if you're a mom, you stay at home mom, and you're just at home and you're feeling very depressed and annoyed and angry at yourself, especially like when you go to school and you're like, after everything, I'm now sleeping at home, sitting down at home. I know how it is that in your mind. And for me, just because I've stayed at home for a while, getting a job, I had to thoughts about it, because I'm like, if I now start a job, I won't have the same time I have now for my kids. But then I'm like, I have to make money. I cannot go to school and go and wait. I went to a private university, so we spend a lot of money. So no matter the money you spend, it's just really annoying that you go to school and you won't even have anything to do. So I decided to do some things, and I'm going to teach you guys what you can do. I'm going to just give you the basic things you can do. There's so many other things you can do, but I'm going to give you the easiest and basic ones. So one of the things is to start a business online, which I do right now, and this is a very good way of making money, even though it's not easy at first. Nothing is even easy, even from beginning to the end. It's not easy, but you will still make money. Right now I sell bags and jewelries, but what is making more sales for me right now is bags. There was a time it was jewelries, but now it's bags. But I can tell you that I make money from it, and it has given me a kind of freedom to do a lot of things that I couldn't do, that I had to ask Oga on the top to give me, but now I can do it. And I see the satisfaction in his face, like this joy. Even though there are some men that don't want their wives to work, but for those of us that our husbands would want us to work, just that work is not coming, you can just start these kind of things, and from there you will either love it, or you will still be looking for a job and later you get a job, but something to just keep you busy and not make you upset and make you depressed, because staying at home and just staying and just not doing anything, especially when you see your mates going out in the morning telling you about their jobs, their bosses, their nice and wicked bosses, you be like, my dream, and this person is just living it and I'm here just chilling. And maybe you'll not be like, is this not someone that I knew that I was more intelligent than? My dear, intelligence does not give you money on your table. What gives you money is hard work, is to fight. If you cannot get an office job, a 9 to 5 job, get a business. No matter how little, start small. You can start with whatever you have, whatever you like, whatever maybe you're known for. You can start with it, and you'll be surprised at how much you can make. And the second thing is to be an affiliate. An affiliate is like a middleman. You can be an affiliate for like Konga, Jumia. You can be an affiliate for even me. For instance, like I sell bags. Now you see some of my bags. You discuss with me. You cannot steal my pictures. You discuss with me and you take pictures of my bags and post like you're the one selling it. Now when you ask me the price, I'll give you maybe a discounted price. Then you add your own money, and when people ask about it, I get it delivered for you, so you don't even go through that stress of like the delivery, the stress. The only thing is that you will give me proper information so that I will send it to the right person, so the person won't know that it's mago in thing. But it also gives you extra cash. Imagine I give you a bag for 2,500 and you're selling it for 4,000. Imagine the extra cash you're making, and you're not even doing anything, just at home, just because you have internet. So these are some of the things that make things really easy for us, and also give us like really cool cash. But the next one is to start a blog or a YouTube channel like I'm doing right now. Like as you're watching me, I make a little bit of money from it. How? By advertising from Google, by brand advertising, by reviews, like people pay me to maybe put up a product on their channel. Maybe for instance, since I'm a mommy blogger, a company can say, okay, since you talk about mom stuff, we can give you maybe a diaper or maybe Maggie or something. If you follow CCME YouTube channel and blog, you would see what I'm trying to say. People actually pay her for this, for her services, for just putting them on her blog and her YouTube channel. So these are the ways to make money, even though it's not like, it doesn't happen like one, like now once once, because people now they will start thinking things, they'll be like, Deca, so you're making millions. No, it takes a while. It takes awareness, it takes consistency and hard work for you to reach that level where people are reaching out to you. Even though I've worked with a few brands, I'm hoping to work with more this year, and hopefully it happens. So these are ways you can make money. It's not really hard starting a blog or a YouTube channel. What is the problem is consistency, having content and consistently posting content, because that one to me is even harder than even just starting it, because everybody, many people have blogs but they don't post. The people that are there blogging with, like I know two people that have not done anything about their blog since we started. So you have to use your and count your teeth. You can make money from it. It can even help you sometimes to write your thoughts, sometimes to even keep you busy, because it's really time consuming. The time you need and be thinking of depression, you think use it and be writing better thing for other people to learn from. So it's a good way to make money. And the last one is providing a service. The last one is providing a service, which can be writing, which can be social media management. If you know a lot, you want 18 or 2 about social media management, you can work with brands to manage your social media. You can do writing if you're very good in your writing, if you're very good in editing. So these are some of the things you can do. They are really not hard, and you can do it from your house. You don't need to go to an office, and you're making money. Even if you're making, let me say for instance, imagine you're making 1,000 naira a day. On a normal day you don't do that. Imagine you're writing every day or you're editing every day, or 1,000. And it gets better the more popular you become and the better you become. So it's not going to be like that. I'm just giving an instance. It's not going to be that cheap forever. At the time, you're going to start making 10,000, 20,000 per editing. So it's something you should look into. If you're a stay-at-home mom, it's not a bad idea to look into it, and it will help you like look fab, have extra cash to look fab, because being a stay-at-home mom, we feel like we have time but we don't, because you're thinking about every other thing. You're taking care of the home, you're cleaning the house, you're not even taking care of, because I know that even working class women even like take care of themselves more than us that are stay at home mom. I've seen it a lot of time play out. So you have to, like, these things will help you even give you extra cash to even push you to even, because somehow you will have to start going out. So when you're doing deliveries and all, you have to start, and you now want to start looking good, because you don't want to, not be only you waka come. It's not your case that is the worst in this Nigeria. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope these tips were really helpful. It's not as if I planned this. I just said let me talk about it, and I hope it's very helpful to you guys. Any other thing you would like to know about this topic that I just talked about, or any other topic, being a mom, just whatever you would like to know, please let me know. If you like my earring, you can just order it from Oyoyo Accessories on Instagram, and it's very cheap. It's just 500 naira. This earring is just 500 naira. So you can order it, and you can order your bags from Oyoyo Bags, and you can buy any other thing, belts. I sell belts to children, belts, beautiful, really beautiful belts. So I love you guys for watching, and I'm feeling my hair. I don't know if you like it. I like the color. So I like you. I love you guys for watching. Until my next video, bye. Subscribe and give me big thumbs up, please.